This one is in 72 Scotland Tennessee. In fact, talking to Paul earlier, when he posted pictures of this when it was first done online, the pilots have been realised the original aircraft with the guys because he was so impressed with the scale of the design of the company. What a testament to the quality of these airplanes. We're actually getting actual pilot involved with this airplane. Look at this, coming from the left. That's the lightning. Low speed conditions. The look is coming in hot, it's coming in fast to the right hand side. The British electric line. It's a homage. It's a homage to the Timber District. The rest of the great one of the aerial kids 32 kilograms. This is going by Paul and Luke.
trickiest, especially with an aeroplane which is not designed to fly at low speed. So as long as the wings are level, it will just sink down and put those flaps down. Those lovely nav lights shining bright. Give them a big round of applause as he lands. This is the first time it's ever been shown in the new aeroplane for Paul and Luke Metcalf. The English Electric Lightning. What a wonderful aeroplane. Paul and Luke will have a quick interview with you after, if you don't mind. Watching Taxi the Bird back.
Well done. Some swearing on video. It's a joy to film that, Luke. Well done. Thank you.
How's your weekend, buddy? Loads of videos. Very many words, but not today. So as Luke controls it all the way back to his dad, Paul. These guys have been on the flying circuit for a number of years. They actually had an English Electric Lightning. They had the show circuit for about 10 years. Sadly, they lost it a couple of years ago. And it's taken them a couple of years to put this thing together. I mean, true Metcalf.
Put those flaps down, those lovely nav lights shining bright. Give them a big round of applause as he lands. This is the first time it's ever been shown.